Hey there, my friends. Chris Marcus from Arcade Economics here with you today again on Thursday, June 29th, with a quick video about just a few thoughts on wondering what CFTC and one of the new commissioners, James McDonald, must be thinking right now. Basically, after a few weeks ago, they finally had a former Deutsch Bank trader confess to what they call spoofing, which is basically putting an order in that you don't really have any intention of executing. But for example, let's say there are buyers and you flash let's say there's a bid for 10 contracts, and then you flash an offer for 1,000 contracts. Could influence what somebody else does, moves the price, and basically, if you can influence someone to move a price manipulatively like that, and then take advantage of that. Maybe you're buying it lower or whatever particular scheme one is running. That's basically what David Liu, the Deutsche Bank trader, had an admission and settled his case. Again, I don't know if you'd call him being arrested or not, but basically he's barred from the industry. But what's fascinating now is that we had Deutsche Bank get caught a year ago and pay out $100 million. David Liu got caught, and sure sounds like he's continuing the investigation as a witness, and yet still, amazingly, the things they got caught doing continue to go on. If you happen to be following the silver market on Monday, you'd see there was another one of those plummets where there's a massive offer that just, again, from my background as a trader, is I've been thinking about it for almost 10 years now, of why you would ever execute a trade in that fashion where you just overwhelm the bid. I mean, it just doesn't seem like someone who's going for the best execution of price just to hammer the thing out there. And then you see it again and again. We've seen the confessions. I mean, this is exactly what the whole settlement with David Liu, when they even explained this word spoofing, by all indications, and again, James McDonald and CFTC are the ones who actually have access to all the data and can see, well, who sold, who bought, is there a pattern here? My personal belief is that anyone who actually looks through those records, or again, Ted Butler gives a great bi-weekly synopsis of exactly what's going on, and it doesn't seem to be much mystery to me. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. I've not been a big fan of regulation coming in and saving the day. I lean towards the school of thought that on some level the government is either involved or at best looking the other way. Heard some compelling arguments that basically Bear Stearns used to be the Big Short, and when they failed in 2008, I believe that was 2008 by the time Bear failed, and JP Morgan had that very quick, over the weekend, shotgun marriage where they took over Bear. There's I'd call it more than a theory. Ted writes about it all the time, and again, whoever knows for sure on these things, but I've come to believe that. And Ted suggests that is it possible that as part of that deal where the government was involved in all these things that were happening back in 2007, 2008, was there some sort of agreement to look the other way? I don't know, although I say it in the sense that I find it hard to see how any regulator or any participant who really keeps asking questions and looking to figure out why, in the face of so much money printing and the other things that have been going on since the housing bubble collapsed, why has there been such seemingly counterintuitive price behavior in the precious metals markets? And again, the guy got arrested, Deutsche Bank. I mean, check out the transcripts. We made a video. I made a video. Me, friends who are helping here, a couple of weeks ago about some of the actual chats of things these guys got caught saying. So again, it doesn't seem to be much mystery. It's just amazing that it continues to go on and on. And it'll be interesting to see if there's any further response from the CFTC. I hear that James McDonald is a pretty honorable man and has a track record of at least doing what he feels is legitimately right. And so hopefully he's watching and seeing some of these things that are going on. I sure have a lot of questions that I've loved to get answered from the CFTC. I hear they don't answer the mail too much, but anyway, it's just fascinating. Another one of those dynamics that whether we maybe see some action from the regulators, I tend to think it'll be more likely when there's just simply either, on a higher level, some sort of price reset or combination of basically getting to a point where someone wants metal that can't be delivered. So, in either case, it'll be fun. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you soon.